Hello guys, welcome back. I am Daud. You are watching Keto Algo. So in this video I am going to talk about a module from npm, that is .env module. We know that in our system we have something called the environment variables, where our operating system stores some variables for its uses. So like that, the .env module, what it does, it separates the our application logic from the uh, important keys or the registers from application itself. So let's let me show you how it happened. So suppose if we let me first require this, install this module npm install .env. I installed the module. Here you can see. Now I will require this module .env, and then now I will create a file. Let's suppose you have created a application, okay, and in on that application you are doing some work where you directly you have given your database password or something important that you don't want to push in the GitHub or any other place. So what you can do, you can keep your important directories or files or any other keys in the separate file, and you can reference that from that file, and you can use in your app.js or the main application. So how you can do that? So in the computer science terminology, this is called the separation of concern, that if a developer working on a particular thing, he or she should have the minimal knowledge of other section in the application. Okay, so let me clear these things. First, I have required this .env module. Then what it's saying, if you read this you can understand more. For that, the file where we will keep our the important keys or the registers, we will simply create a .env file. This is called the environmental variables, where we in the node itself, in the node variable, in the node environment, I'm sorry, not node environment, it's creating a environmental variables from where it's referencing the keys, important keys. But when you will push your application in the GitHub or any other places, uh, you can simply put this .env file in your .gitignore file, and then this file will not push into your GitHub. So let me show you how. So suppose I am giving here secret key, which is ABCDE. Okay, now in the app.js I want to get that ABCD or the secret key. Okay, you can understand from your application logic. Suppose you have some important password for any for your login dashboard, you can keep this password here, and you can simply reference that key and you can simply use here. Okay, So we have already required that .env file. Now we need to configure that. What it does, it will access the environmental variables that we have created in the .env file, and how we can access them using the process.env, using that. And then we will use the variable name that we have used in the .env, right? So let me show you. Here I have given the secret key, the log. Now I will using the log, console log. I am just showing here you. Let me start my app. Now if I, okay, I'm sorry, we can access this using process.env. Okay, now it will run. Here you can see this is the ABCD it's showing. And now you can just simply create the git ignore file, and you can put the .env here. And when you will push your application in the uh, GitHub itself, then it will not push the .env file, or it will hidden that file. And when you will see in the GitHub repo, you will just see that it's written the process.env secret key. But the another user, he or she cannot understand uh, the actual password what's being written. But for your simplicity, you are creating a local environment variable by which you can run the application whenever you want, and without any risk of being pushed in the GitHub your passwords. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. This was a small video, so I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, and also do comment the topics that you want to see. Until then, bye.